Hey there digital friends, in this video you are going to see about unboxing and small overview on TCL S6500. For 20,000 we are getting a TV with Dolby audio, Full HD resolution, HDR 10-bit panel and Google Assistant and Chromecast inbuilt. Let's see the unboxing first. Flipkart delivered the TV 6 days after placing the order, and on the same day the installation was done by the Flipkart agent. Inside the box we will be getting a TV, warranty card and the base stand. This TV is just available for 20,000 with 3 years warranty, which no other company gives. It is a slim TV with Android support. We can play Netflix, YouTube and Hotstar videos without any issues. At the bottom we had a 20-watt speaker and the sound output from the speaker is loud. If you want me to make a full review on this TV, just comment down below. This is the remote which we will be getting with the TV. It has Netflix and Google Assistant inbuilt. The remote and the TV are connected by Bluetooth. It takes 1.5 minutes to fully power on the TV. As it has only 1.5 GB RAM, it takes some time. This is the home screen of the TV, where we can access TV, multimedia, YouTube, etc. We can also install games and media players from the Play Store also. This has an inbuilt Chromecast, so we can directly cast our phone screen in this TV. This TV is Android supported and it runs on Android Oreo 8.0. Regarding the ports, it has USB, LAN, antenna input, optical input, 2 HDMI ports, 1 AV input and 1 headphone jack. That's it for this video guys. If you want a review of this TV, then just comment down below. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.